I just barely got a package in the mail today. Very excited about it because it's a wedding gift from one of my friends, and she's noticed that I'm really loving makeup, so it's a wedding gift that's really for me. So I'm excited to open it and see what's inside. She's already explained a little bit of it to me, but I wanted to do an unboxing video and share with you the amazing products that she just sent me, which I do know is makeup. She knows me very well. So the first things that I find is there is some Satinate conditioner, some Smooth Moisture shampoo. Then I came across this looks like Artistry Intensive Skincare. It's a peel. This is Artistry Signature Color Light Up Lip Gloss. Excited to see what that's gonna look like. Ooh, pink. That'll be fun. Ooh, this is Lash Boosting 3-in-1 Mascara. I saw her wearing this once and I was like, dude, your lashes look amazing. And she's like, yeah, I use this amazing stuff. And I'm excited to try it. And then there's also a multi-protect lotion and a hand cream. I do like using hand creams. She has also included a nice little catalog book for me to look through. And if I have any questions, she told me that I could ask her anything. So I'm excited to go through this. Oh, she even like put some little notes in it too. I'm excited. Yeah, she sent me the mascara and noted on here that it's the best, which I believe. And it's worth $26. I love you. So I'm excited to try this all out, see how it goes, and I'll let you guys know.